Welcome to Stegback. This guide will help you add a warehouse on your Stegback Seller Dashboard. First, log into your Stegback Seller Dashboard and navigate to the Warehouse section. Click on All Warehouses, then on Create Warehouse to set up a new location. Enter the warehouse name, mobile number, address, street, and select the country. Next, enter the zip code, city, and set the warehouse status to live. You will have two options for the warehouse type: physical and virtual. A physical warehouse can be your own or a third-party facility. Virtual includes two options, FBA and FBK. Ensure that your warehouse is set as the default, review all details, and click Submit. Once submitted, your warehouse will be active. After creating your warehouse, click the three dots to access three options: Stock, Edit, and Delete. Click Edit to update your warehouse address, or click Delete to remove the warehouse. To manage your stock, click Stock to view all your products, adjust quantities, and update your warehouse inventory. Your warehouse will then be ready for deliveries.